You think a good night for your dog is just a comfy bed and a treat, but that's not the real secret.
There's one simple thing you can do before bed that rewires how your dog feels about sleep, and it changes everything. Their rest, their anxiety, even how they behave the next day. Most owners ignore it because it looks too small to matter. But small things shape trust.
Start with this. Dogs are creatures of rhythm. Their brains crave predictable endings. When their day ends without a clear signal, their nervous system stays half on. That leftover alertness shows up as pacing, whining, shifting in their sleep, or waking at the slightest sound. The one thing I want you to do before bed gives the brain a tidy ending. It tells your dog the day is complete. You are safe, now rest. Do it this way. 10 to 15 minutes before lights out, slow everything down. Turn off bright screens. Lower your voice. Move with intention. Slower, softer. Now, give your dog a ritual that combines 3 tiny acts: a short, calm interaction, a focused scent cue, and a consistent physical placement. Not all at once, a gentle sequence. First, the calm interaction. Sit near them, but don't stare. Let your presence be quiet and steady. Offer one long, slow scratch in their favorite spot, behind the ears, the base of the tail, wherever they melt. Make it measured. Inhale, exhale, scratch. Dogs mirror your parasympathetic state. If you slow your rhythm, their heart follows. That tactile connection is an attachment signal. It reassures them you're still there and that safety is ongoing. Second, the scent cue. Dogs live through smell. Choose one subtle scent tied only to bedtime: a lavender mist, a piece of your worn t-shirt placed on their bed, or a tiny drop of an essential oil blend safe for dogs on a cloth, never directly on skin. Use the same scent every night, right after the calm interaction. The scent becomes a conditioned safety signal. Over days, your dog's brain links it to winding down. When they sniff it, a hormonal cascade shifts. Cortisol drops, oxytocin rises. This is basic associative learning made powerful by biology. Third, the physical placement. Guide them to the same spot each night. If they sleep on your bed, have a specific blanket folded the same way. If they sleep in a crate or dog bed, place it the same direction and in the same position. Consistency reduces decision-making stress. Dogs hate ambiguity. A fixed sleep spot removes one tiny anxiety point and makes surrendering to sleep easier. Pause here. Many owners do one of these things. They pet their dog, or spray lavender, or tuck a blanket. But the magic is in the ritualized sequence. The brain needs a chain, not a single token. Each step primes the next. The scratch slows the body. The scent signals safety. The placement tells the brain where to shut off. Together, they form a bedtime algorithm your dog can run without thinking. Now, let's unpack why this works simply. Behavior is habit plus meaning. Habits stick when they're rewarded predictably. Your ritual rewards your dog with calm, reduced arousal, and the presence of you. Neurochemically, predictable soothing increases GABAergic tone. That's the neurotransmitter family that promotes calm and reduces norepinephrine, the stress messenger. Over weeks, these nightly micro-rewards rewire sleep architecture. You'll notice deeper sleep cycles, fewer micro-awakenings, less early morning yowling. Here's a nuance most people miss. Timing matters more than duration. That 10 to 15-minute window before lights out is the sweet spot. Too early, and the conditioned safety signal becomes diluted by later activity. Too late, and adrenaline from evening play may still be high. Aim for a settling window after activity and dinner, before the final lights off. The ritual becomes the punctuation mark at the end of their day. Another thing owners misread: pacing or restlessness at night is often labeled hyper or spite. It's neither. It's unresolved arousal. Your dog's nervous system is still processing the day.
The bedtime ritual helps shift processing from outward vigilance to inward repair. Think of it like tucking their nervous system in. But what if your dog resists? Some dogs will avoid the bed or the scent at first. Don't force it. Use shaping. Reward tiny steps toward participation. If they won't approach the blanket, drop a safe kibble piece on the edge. If they move away from your touch, start with a hand nearby. Then reward calm proximity. Small, consistent wins create momentum. Never scold. That breaks the safety signal. But what if your dog resists? Some dogs will avoid the bed or the scent at first. Don't force it. Use shaping. Reward tiny steps toward participation. If they won't approach the blanket, drop a safe kibble piece on the edge. If they move away from your touch, start with a hand nearby. Then reward calm proximity. Small, consistent wins create momentum. Never scold. That breaks the safety signal.
Also watch medical flags. If sleep issues persist despite ritual, nightly pacing, extreme panting, sudden vocalizations, or disrupted sleep, consult a vet. Pain, cognitive dysfunction, or underlying medical issues can mimic behavioral insomnia. The ritual helps many dogs, but it's not a substitute for medical care.
Here's another loop you'll love. Once the ritual's consistent, you can add a silent second signal for more independence. After the scent, give a single, soft verbal cue. A one-word cue, like rest. Say it once, quietly. Don't reward with play afterward. Over time, rest alone will carry the weight of the whole ritual. That's powerful for travel nights or when your schedule changes. The one word calls the whole chain back into action. Midway through this process, if this is changing how you see your dog, hit like and subscribe for more science-backed routines that actually work. Back to technique. Be precise with the scratch. Not a hurried pet, but a long, deliberate stroke pattern. 3 slow strokes, 2-second pause, then repeat. Dogs track rhythm. The repetition cues safety. Pair it with soft eye contact for a second. Then look away. That brief mutual gaze increases oxytocin for both of you, the bonding hormone, and then breaking eye contact signals no threat. It's a dance of closeness and calm. If your dog is older, integrate gentle stretches or a brief massage to ease aches. Age brings pain that disturbs sleep cycles. The ritual becomes both emotional and physical comfort. For anxious young dogs, add a short, quiet chew, a lick-safe snuffle mat with a small treat during the scent step. Chewing releases calming endorphins. Keep it limited so it remains special. You'll begin to notice patterns in a week. Fewer early morning barks, deeper midday naps, and a calmer morning routine. In 3 weeks, the ritual becomes a habit for both of you. The dog anticipates the sequence, and anticipation itself reduces anxiety. Anticipation with predictability is the backbone of secure attachment. One surprising benefit: when a dog sleeps better, owners sleep better. Less waking means fewer midnight interruptions and improved human mood. Sleep is reciprocal in bonded pairs. Your ritual is not just for them, it's for your household well-being. Now, the final insight most people miss. This ritual isn't about control. It's about creating a shared language of safety. Your dog interprets your rhythm, your scent, your placement as meaning, tonight, I am with you. It is safe to let go. That is profound. It shifts small nightly choices into long-term emotional security. Tonight, try it. Slow down. Give a long, steady scratch. Present the scent. Guide them to their place. Say rest once. Notice the subtle change in their breathing, the way their eyes soften. That softening is trust switching on. Your dog isn't just behaving at night. They're communicating their need for a reliable ending. Give them the ritual, and you'll give them the gift of rest. And in return, wake up to a calmer, more connected dog. Do it for 10 nights. Watch how quietly powerful tiny routines can be.